morning.
A young woman who was accused of killing her brother over a pack of ramen noodles and a $10 bill will have a long time to think about her deed. Today, 21-year-old Tafara Smith was sentenced to life imprisonment for fatally stabbing her brother, Dale Lino, on April 24, 2007. The incident occurred at their home in Orange Walk Town. On that fateful day, Smith arrived home around noon, and after she discovered that some ramen noodles and a $10 bill were missing, she accused her brother. The two got into an argument, and according to the evidence, Lino said it wasn't him and he began to curse her. Smith reportedly told Lina to forget about it, and when he laughed at that, she pulled out a knife she had in her purse and stabbed him once to the heart. Justice Herbert Lord had given Smith a chance to provide character witnesses, but when she could not come up with any, he laid down the sentence. Smith gave conflicting stories from the dock. She claimed that she came home and told her brother about some missing items she had secured. She says he laughed at her and that's why she stabbed him. At least 3 cases of attempted murder were dealt with in the Supreme Court today. In the first, a sentence of 12 years was handed down to 24-year-old Marlon Alfred Taylor, who on July 16 was found guilty of the crime of attempted murder. Justice Michelle Arana presided over the case, which goes back to 2008, when Taylor attacked and injured 26-year-old Leon Leslie. Today, in mitigation, his mother spoke well of Taylor, but in a stunning revelation, Cordelia Haylock told the court that in 2007, she had to take her son for medical attention because of his mental behavior. His aunt, Florita Amaya Haylock, and Uncle Lyndon Flowers also testified about his strange behavior. All begged for leniency, but Justice Arana told Taylor that he has a previous conviction for wounding, and because of his history of violence, she found him to be a danger to the public. She also ordered that he gets a psychiatric evaluation. On January 8, 2008, Taylor, wielding a machete and knife, attacked Leon Leslie as he stood at the Maxborough bus stop on a northern highway. Evidence revealed that the motive was over a prior misunderstanding between Leslie and his younger brother. Taylor told the court that he thought Leslie tried to run him over the night before, but Leslie claimed it was Taylor who began to interfere with him and his brother and later attacked him, wounding him on the neck, back, and left hand. While Justice Michelle Arana handed down a 12-year sentence to Marlon Taylor for attempted murder, 2 men were freed of similar charges this morning. The Director of Public Prosecutions entered a nolle prosequi in the case against Wababa Norales and Philip Wallace, both 21 years old, who allegedly shot Andrew West on August 14, 2007. That's because West, who is believed to be in fear for his life, could not be located to testify against the men. West has told police that on the night of the incident, he was riding towards Forbes Road when he saw Wallace and Norales. According to a statement from West, Wallace pulled a gun from his pants waist and ran towards him, firing several shots. West reportedly fell in a nearby drain, and that was when Norales came over and opened fire on him. West was hit 3 times, 1 in the left upper arm, 1 in the left leg, and once in his buttocks. West claimed that he had known Wallace for 6 years and Norales for 10 years prior to the incident. And in a third hearing, a jury of 9 acquitted 29-year-old Dorita Wallace of an attempted murder charge after less than 3 hours of deliberation. The decision was unanimous, and Wallace, who had no legal representation, walked home a free woman. She was greeted by her common-law husband, who waited for her across the street in the Battlefield Park. The charges were in connection with an incident that occurred in February of 2008 when a woman who tried to find out what was wrong between her sister and the accused ended up being stabbed 3 times. The incident happened around 8:40 on the night of February 7th when the victim, Shirley Barrow, claimed she was at a residence in the St. Martin's de Porres area when she was stabbed. But the Crown Counsel, Trina Young, could not convince the jury to convict the mother of 4. Meanwhile, Wallace told the court under oath that it was self-defense that caused her to react. She said she went to buy at a nearby shop, and that was when Barrow, her mother, and her sister attacked her. The doctor who treated Barrow, Dr. Elaine Gonzalez, told the court that the wounds were not life-threatening, despite the fact that she was stabbed 3 times. Up next, Benbow Street family gets new house and Michael Jai White